Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today's tutorial is based on how to sign up into your online banking account of TD Bank. In this following video, I will be showing you step-by-step tutorial on how to sign up into your online banking account. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and also follow the instruction correctly. So just a reminder, in case if you don't have an offline banking account, then you'll not be able to sign up into your online banking account. So then without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, you'll have to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser of your choice. As you open up your web browser, on the search box, you'll have to type in the link, that is www.td.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. On the other page, you will be directed into official site, and on the same page in the right hand side corner, you can see there is a login interface. So in order to enroll into your online banking account, you'll have to tap on sign up. On the other page, you will be directed into enrollment page. So right in center, there's a pop-up, so make sure to go through it. So over here, you'll have to select your account type. So make sure to select it correctly. And once you're done, scroll down and then tap on confirmation, which is right in the corner. Once you do that, tap on continue in the bottom right corner. So once again, there's terms and conditions, so make sure to go through it and then tap on accept. Once you do that, scroll down and then tap on accept, which is right at the bottom. On the other page, you'll be asked to provide your information. So out here, you can see you'll have to enter all the information. So first of all, you'll have to enter your first name and the last name that is associated with your TD Bank account. And after that, enter your email address. And once you do that, scroll down. So once again, you'll have to provide more detail about your account. So you can see, first of all, they've asked for your account type. So make sure to select it correctly. And after that, you'll have to enter your ATM card or debit card number. And once you're done, next you'll have to enter social security number. And after that, you'll have to enter your account number. So on the last step, you'll get to create profile ID, that is your username and your password. So right over here, you can see that you'll have to create your username and then you'll have to retype it once again in order to confirm. And after you're done creating a password, once again you'll have to retype it in order to confirm. And once you're done entering all the information, make sure to review it once again and then tap on continue in the bottom right corner. As soon as you tap on continue and if the provided information is correct, on the other page you will automatically sign up into your online banking account of TD Bank. So that is how you can sign up into your online banking account. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.